G'day again everyone. Just a quick comment. I've been talking to the Battery Factory outlet and they've just sent me a link with a coupon code. So now you'll all get a 10% discount if you use the link and the code that I will put in the comments section of this video. Alright, that was really good of them to give me the discount code for you, because as you all know, Ziggy and I don't charge for our videos. We don't take any percentage in sales. We try and get the best discount codes we can for our subscribers. Afternoon everyone, how is all going? We got sun today, but for the next week we're supposed to be getting rain. Alright, so I've been using my power tools quite a lot lately, the Makitas, and I've been using those, and I've got adapters for my Ryobi tools because I found the Ryobi batteries just keep on dying on me. So I've switched all my power tools and everything over to Makita batteries now, and I needed some more, and as karma would have it, I got an email. Well, I get a lot of emails from companies wanting me to give me free stuff or sponsor them, pay me to make videos, and I don't do any of that sort of thing. I don't want money to make videos. I don't want a 10% back on everything they sell. Yeah, I'm just not interested in making money out of my YouTube videos, and I'm certainly not interested in making money out of the people who subscribe and watch my videos. That's just not where I'm at or who I am. But this company here, and they're called the Battery Factory Outlet. That's what they're called, the Battery Factory Outlet. Sent me an email, and I've actually been after some new Makita batteries, but I couldn't quite afford it. Those of you that know have been watching my channel, you know, we're literally bleeding money right now building the camper trailer and keeping up with expenses. Prices have gone up so much. It's incredible, you know, and we are on a fixed pension, and whether you're funded, fully funded, self-funded, or partially funded, you know, you've still got that, you still like to fix it in, and you can only make $1 stretch so far, you know. This company sent me an email, and I said, yeah, well, I'm interested in that, and they don't sell their batteries on eBay or Amazon or anything like else, anywhere else. It's factory direct from them to you. So I said, well, if you want to do it, I said, let's have a look at your batteries first. So I had to take photos of my power tools. Typically can you come and hold this camera for me please, dear? So they sent me 2 batteries. Now I'm going to be testing these batteries over time like I always do. The first thing is going to be to have a look at them, recharge them, watch the temperature as they're recharging, and then use them like I do in everyday use. And I use my power tools probably a bit more than the usual home handyman does, because I'm always building stuff. So here's an original one from Makita. It's a 4 amp hour, and you need all this, and you need this pattern, because they'll ask, you know, just to make sure you're buying the right batteries, they'll ask you for a photo of this, a photo of this, and a photo of what's written on the side of your drills or your power tools, just to make sure that they match the batteries to your power tools. Okay, so I got them to send me a 4 amp hour battery, and I'm guessing this is it in this small box. You get an operating manual with instructions in all sorts of languages. And this is the 5 amp hour battery. Let's put that over there. Let me clear this paper out of the way. So there it is, compared to the original. This is the original in this hand. You can tell because it's all scratched up and damaged. Okay, how much charge is in it? Well, it's got a little bit of charge in it. Okay, so that's what they look like differently. Do they fit? Whoa, they fit and they work fine. And there's the original, or OEM, and that's the non-OEM. The price difference is considerable, let me tell you this, okay? So we'll see. And now I'm going to show you the 9 amp hour one. Now the 9 amp hour one is good for my bigger tools, like the big impact wrench I've got for undoing the tyre nuts if I have a flat tyre. Not for tightening them, just for undoing them. You should never use a big impact drill to tighten wheel lugs. And this one's got charge in it. This says 9 amp hour lithium. These are quite weighty, okay? Quite weighty. About the same. Okay, so there's the two side by side, 9 amp hour, 5 amp hour. Yep, that's as expected. So they work. And I can't say much more than that at this stage. I'm going to charge them up, make sure they don't get hot, and then I'm just going to use them. And we'll both find out, or we'll all find out, what they're like over time. Okay, so let's go and have a look at their website channel for the battery factory outlet, and I'll get these on charge and we'll come back and see how they go. We're at the battery factory outlet website. This is all Australian stock, and all the prices are in Australian dollars. Right now they've got a, as you can see right at that page there, they've got a Black Friday deal going, which is awesome. Now you just scroll down there, that's what their front page looks like. Alright, they take PayPal, Visa and MasterCard by the looks of it.